thought I'd show you how to do step 1 of the Rubik's Cube, which is a cross. So this is step 1. The cross with the 4 legs. Here we see the green leg, and the red leg, and the blue leg, and the orange leg. So the cross with the 4 legs. Okay, here we got a mixed up cube. I'm going to teach you how to do step 1, the cross. What you do is you put yellow on the top and you spin 3 times. 1, got it. Give it a turn. 1, 2, 3, nothing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, got it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, got it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is what we want. Now you match up the orange with the orange. You match up the blue with the blue. You match up the red with the red. Give it a spin. You match up the green with the green. Give it a spin. So as you can see, we have the cross with the 4 legs. There's the orange and green legs. Green and red legs. And, well, the red and blue bars. So that's step 1 during the Rubik's Cube. Okay, here again we got our mixed up cube. You want to do step 1, which is a cross. You put the yellow on top, and you spin 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. That's what we wanted. 1, 2, 3. Got it. 1, 2, 3. Got it. 1, 2, 3. Spin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Got it. Now what you do is you line them up. You want red with the red. Give that a spin. Blue with blue. Green with green. And the last one, orange with orange. You now have the cross with the 4 bars. There's the blue and orange bars. And there's the green and red bars. And that is step 1 during the Rubik's Cube. Once again, I'm going to show you step 1 during the Rubik's Cube, which is the cross. You put the yellow on top, and you spin each side 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Turn. Got it. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Got it. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Now you match the color. Orange with orange. Blue with blue. Give it a spin. Red with red. Give it a spin. Green with green. Give it a spin. And there you have the cross. With the blue and orange bar. The orange and green bar. Green and red. There's the cross. That is step 1 during the Rubik's Cube. So easy, an idiot can do it.